Today, we are discussing about weaknesses of any personality. In terms of SWOT analysis, last class we have discussed about the strengths of a personality, strengths of a person who applied for a vacancy. Now, that same person's weakness is in depth. We are going to discuss about that concept. So in terms of personality weaknesses, we can observe certain personalities or weaknesses for certain profiles. It is not that all personalities are one and the same for any profile. No. Some profiles would require specific personality qualities. Some other profiles would require other personality qualities. That's why we have a theory called the job personality job fit theory. Why? Because there are differences in profile, differences in the same profile at different layers or levels, differences of the same profile from one sector to the other sector, differences of the same profile in one industry to the other industry, differences of the same profile from one particular department or section to the other department, are all requiring some specific personality features. So if that particular personality is missing in your qualities, then that becomes your weakness. For example, if a profile requires sociable person and you are an introvert, that kind of personality is a weaker point in your profile. Next, skills that one does not have. Yeah, there are some requirements by employers like communication skills. We need the candidates to be proficient in this language. Maybe you may be proficient in English and maybe proficient in your mother tongue, but the specific language that they are asking for particular locality-based business and profile, if you don't have, so that context is a weakness for your application to that particular position. Maybe your mother tongue and the language that they are asking are one and the same, then in that particular location, it's an opportunity. But here, it's a weakness. Then abilities that one is unable to possess. The abilities that we are unable to possess means generally abilities are genes bound. By birth, whatever we acquire by genetic, environmental, and socializing factors are certain times are turning to be abilities. So if we are not brought up in such a situation, then that is again an ability which is a weakness, which you couldn't bring up yourself in that environment. Then irrelevant qualification is the qualification requirements for a particular profile which expects a specific qualification. As per job description, they are saying these are specific qualifications that can handle this task, this duty, this responsibility. So in that case, if you don't possess that particular qualification, then you might be dealing with a weakness. For example, if there are 10 candidates for the same profile which we are discussing about the marketing, sales executive or sales assistant, all the 9 other profiles have marketing degree or diploma or certificate or PG program or UG program, anything in marketing related field, and you don't have any of that means it's a weakness. It's a comparable worthlessness. Okay. So that way it's a weakness. Then inappropriate personal qualities. Inappropriate personal qualities means for certain profiles, you might be asked to behave in such a way that the employer disturbs. So if you are not able to behave that way, then that is an inappropriate personal quality. Maybe there is a profile where you are supposed to be a confidentiality maintainer, a person who keeps things in confidential, lock and key custody. Lock and key not only for physical objects, but also for mouth. You should keep your mouth shut for certain confidential information. But our quality doesn't have that control of confidentiality, maintenance, all those things will come under personal qualities, inappropriateness. So these are certain weaknesses which might be in one profile at a particular locality, in a particular different sector or a specific sector or a specific industry might be a strength, but the same thing in another industry, in another location or in another profile might be a weakness. That's why they are all resource-based, our own self-focused. Okay. Now, this session gets to an end. In the next two sessions, we are going to discuss about opportunity